So with the first one, obviously make them the same, 6x, 4x, 1. First put the 1 over 1. I'm sure most of you did that to make it a fraction. Okay, so 6, 4, 3, 12x is the common factor, right? Common denominator. So we multiply by 2 to get it 12x. This one we multiply by 3 to get it 12. This one you got to multiply by 4. And this one needs to be multiplied by 12x. Both sides. Okay, so 12x for this one. Now they all have 12x, 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 12x. Same denominators. So we can take them away, and then we get 5 times 2 is 10, minus 2 times 3 is 6, equal to 1 times 12x, 2 times 4. Okay, now we can bring the numbers to this side. 10 minus 6 is 4, plus 8 is going to be 12. So we're going to have 12 equal to 12x, and then if you divide by 12, x will be equal to 1. Okay, so that one counted 5. Was it 5 marks? Okay, so obviously the answer will be a mark. 1 mark for the answer, 1 mark for the first step, obviously. Getting it like that. You can probably give 2 marks, 1 for this side and 1 for that side, and then 1 for the answer. Okay, so that one was 5. Now this one, you gotta multiply the negative in, so you get negative x minus 1. Here, 6x plus 9, so you multiply it in again. Remember to multiply the negative with both, okay? Negative times x, negative times 1. Now if you take the 6x over, you're going to have negative x minus 6x is negative 7x, smaller or equal to, and then if you take the 3 minus 1 is 2. If you take it over, it's minus 2. So you're going to have 7, okay? 3 minus 1 is 2, take it over, it's minus 2, 9 minus 2 is 7, 6x minus 6 is negative 7, and then you divide by negative 7, divide by negative 7, so x will be bigger or equal to negative 1. Remember to change the sign, okay? Remember, when you divide by negative, you must swap the sign around, okay? So that one was it also 5 marks? Okay, so obviously 1 for the answer, 1 for the simplifying. This one could have been 4 marks actually. Okay, but it is 5, so let's give it another mark there. Then for this one, we multiply the 3x in, so we get 3x squared minus 21x equal to 8 plus 2x. Okay, so when you take it over, you get 3x squared minus 21, and minus 2 is minus 23x. Take the 8 over, minus 8 equal to 0. Okay, in standard form. Okay. Then it's going to be 3x and x. 3x times x is 3x squared, and then to get to negative 23, obviously you must make it negative 24, so negative 8 and plus 1. Okay, so 3 times negative 8 is negative 24, plus 1 is negative 23. Okay, and then 1 times negative 8 is negative 8. So that means x must be negative 1 over 3, or x must be 8. So there's your 2 solutions for that one. Also 5 marks, eh? So obviously for the standard form, you can get a mark for factorizing correctly. And then for the 2 answers, you can give a mark. And then this one, 2 to the power negative x equal to 1 over 2 to the power 4. Therefore, 2 to the power negative x is equal to 2 to the power negative 4. Therefore, x, well, you can first say negative x equal to negative 4, which means x will be equal to 4. So that one, 3 marks. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and that is the total for the test.